This is how to make a grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and yes, it is so much better than a regular PB&J. I'm using whole grain bread, that's the reason it's brown, but you can use whatever you want. Now add the peanut butter, and we're all different, so just put as much as you want. Next we'll add the jelly. I'm using grape jelly. Again, add whatever amount will make you happy. Set your burner to a somewhat low heat. I put mine on a power of 3 out of 10. Add half a tablespoon of butter and let it melt. This will give the bread a great flavor and help it get toasty. Once the butter is melted, you can put your sandwich in the pan, and I'll give it a little push around to help coat it in the butter. I cooked it for about 5 minutes on the first side, but yours could take a different amount of time based on a number of variables. If you're worried that you might burn it, it's okay to lift the corner of the sandwich so that you can check the bottom side. I'm happy with how it looks, so I'll turn it over, but before I put the sandwich back in the pan, I'll add half a tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Once it's melted, add the sandwich. I cooked it for about 4 minutes on this side. Once it reaches your desired doneness, you can remove it. You now have a buttery and toasty exterior with a smooth, warm interior. Really, you need to give this a try. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.